Welcome to the World History in Short Videos channel, where we talk about some of the most significant events in history. Today we will be taking a deep dive into the stock market crash of 1929, one of the most devastating economic collapses in history. We'll examine the causes, the effects, and the long-lasting impact of this event on the world. The 1920s, also known as the Roaring Twenties, was a time of great prosperity and optimism. The stock market was booming, and many people invested their money in the stock market, believing that it was a sure way to make a fortune. However, on October 29, 1929, everything changed. On that day, known as Black Tuesday, the stock market crashed, and the value of many stocks dropped dramatically. The causes of the crash were many and varied. One of the main factors was the unequal distribution of wealth. Many people had invested money in the stock market, but only a small percentage of the population controlled the majority of the stocks. This led to a lack of consumer spending and overproduction of goods, which further exacerbated the crisis. Another factor was the lack of regulation of the stock market. Many investors were buying stocks on margin, meaning they were borrowing money to invest in the stock market. This led to speculation, and when the market started to decline, many investors were unable to pay back their loans, leading to a chain reaction of bankruptcies. The crash led to the Great Depression, which lasted for a decade and had a profound impact on the world. Millions of people lost their jobs, and many businesses went bankrupt. The economy did not fully recover until the Second World War. Many experts also argue that the policies of the Federal Reserve also contributed to the crash, and the lack of action taken to prevent it. Some criticize that the Fed did not respond appropriately to the signs of the crisis, and its inaction further amplified the effects of the crash. The impact of the crash was felt globally. It led to a severe economic downturn in many countries, and the effects were felt for many years to come. The crash also had a profound impact on the political landscape, and it led to the rise of extremist ideologies such as fascism and communism. The stock market crash of 1929 was a turning point in history, and its impact is still felt today. It serves as a reminder of the importance of regulation and the dangers of speculation. It's also important to remember that economic collapses have a domino effect and can have a global impact. We hope you found this video informative and it gave you some understanding of the crash and its long-lasting effects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more historical content like this. Thank you for watching.